Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect blocks in Geometry Dash. First, open the editor and place some blocks. To connect them, you will need to select multiple objects. Use the Edit tool to drag a selection box around the blocks you wish to link. This initial step is crucial for preparing your objects for grouping and interaction within your level design. Once your blocks are selected, it is time to group them. Navigate to the Edit Object menu and find the Group section. Here, you can assign a unique group ID, such as Group 1 or Group 2, to your selected blocks. This ID acts as a label, allowing triggers to affect all blocks within that specific group simultaneously, creating cohesive movements and effects. Now, let's make your grouped blocks move. Place a move trigger anywhere in your level. In the Trigger settings, specify the group ID you just created. You can then set the X and Y movement values, for example, moving 10 units right and 5 units up. Also, adjust the move time, perhaps to 1 second, to control the speed of the animation, making it smooth and intentional. Beyond simple movement, groups can interact with many other triggers. Experiment with alpha triggers to make blocks appear or disappear, or toggle triggers to switch their visibility. You can even combine multiple groups with different triggers to create intricate sequences. Remember to test your level often to ensure all connections and triggers work exactly as intended, providing a polished experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.